Want to make your handwriting neater in Samsung Note? Try using the line template, just like writing in a notebook. On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's super easy and perfect for S Pen users. First, you have to set the default template to line template. To do so, open Note app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Tap default note style, then tap template. From the list, choose one of the line templates. There are 3 styles available. Each has different line spacing, narrow, medium, and wide. Choose the one that fits your writing size best. Now every new note will start with that template. Next, let's create a new note. Tap the packet twice. Then tap create new note icon at the bottom right. Remove your S Pen. And then start writing. So, given to the function, this template is great for writing journals, letters, or daily log using your S Pen. It keeps your writing straight and helps your note look clean. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.